You will be competing each other.
I will be putting up universities in Metro Manila and
No tuition fees. Helping others. No tuition.
the university will teach, the university will teach giving, that getting rich is in our hands, and that I made it. Okay? Getting rich is in our hands, and that I made it. That is the vision, giving the foundation. And I wanted also to see my actual condo at Eunice. Growing faster, I can help those who are jobless people and those who have low qualification individuals and to gain their living also, and of course my real estate development is growing by the time. And this BJ Construction Corporation, because I believe in there's a great advantage in corporation in building up a corporation. BJ Construction Corporation.
Yeah, BJ.
Victorino Dante.
BJ stands for Victorino Dante. And during the time, I believe that I have acquired all of these by the teaching that I have applied